What's up guys, in this video I'm going to be walking you through my entire push day routine. This is what my body's looking like right now, so if you want to achieve this, let's get into it. We're going to start off with some chest presses. I like to use the machine. I really don't like to use the barbell, and it could be due to form, but I find the machine is just a lot better at targeting my chest. I do a lot of calisthenic work, so when it comes to my chest, I want it to be isolated. So I want you to watch the reps that I'm doing right now, using the full range of motion and trying to make sure that we're pushing in line with the chest fibers. You can see it's almost like I come back to a starting position and start from the beginning as I push through, and make sure that you're going to or close to failure. Moving on to lateral raises, I'm not going to say that I have the best form when it comes to these, but I do have some tips. You want to make sure that you're raising the dumbbells in the scapular plane. So you can see I'm leaning forward just a bit and making sure that my arms are almost coming at like a 45-degree angle, because I'm trying to target those mid delts. Now, I'm not trying to shame this guy at all, because at the end of the day, he's in the gym. But one tip I'd give is try to avoid using momentum. Slow down the rep. You're going to feel it a lot more in the actual area, and you're going to see more gains. Now, this is just another angle. As you can see, I'm leaning forward and I'm trying to keep that 45-degree angle when it comes to bringing those weights up. Do it slow and controlled, and don't hesitate to drop the weight if you need to. We all start somewhere. I started from 5 pounds. Ego lifting is just going to cheat you out of progress. Now we're going to go into some tricep push downs. Now I wanted to show you my form during the first set because it's off. I want to give you a chance, see if you could figure out what's the problem. If you guessed the arm placement, you are absolutely correct. Try to keep your elbows directly tucked by your sides. You're gonna feel it a lot more in your triceps. Try to keep the reps controlled, and I just try to imagine it like I'm trying to extend my elbows, not even try to just pull the weight down. Try to stretch out your arm. The last exercise we're going to do is some chest flies with the machine. So a few points with this. When you're bringing your arms back, your arms should be bent, and then you should fully extend them near the end of the rep. You want to get your fingers, get your hands as close as possible at the end, because you're going to feel a nice squeeze, a nice contraction. So this is just another angle. I try to put my lower back into the bottom of the pad just to give me that extra stability. And as you can see, I'm bending my arms on the way back, fully extending at the front. And don't forget to actually pay attention to your breath when you're doing these exercises, making sure that you exhale whenever you're exerting force. And the last thing that I'll cover is you want to make sure that you're going close to or to failure when it comes to your sets. If you're not going with enough intensity, you are not giving your muscles enough incentive for them to actually grow. That's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it and you want me to drop a pull day routine, drop that down below in the comments and I'll make it happen. That's all for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.